In this video, I will show you how to add music to your Roblox game. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently here on Roblox.com. I'm currently logged into my account. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to these options at the top and go ahead and click on to create. So what I'm going to do for this tutorial, I'm just going to click on to create experience, and this is going to go ahead and start downloading Roblox Studio. So if you don't have that installed, it's going to go ahead and download this first of all. So you can see this is installing at the moment. Of course, if you want to, you can load up an existing game and follow the same process to add music to an existing game you've created. So as you can see, I'm now here on Roblox Studio, so I've got a demo game loaded through, and basically what you're going to want to do next is come to the left hand side to the toolbox, and on this drop down menu over here, you want to click onto this and select audio. So as you can see, there are some different audios and some different music on here. So what you can do is choose any of these that have been uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. You can listen to a preview if you want. When you hover over, there's going to be a play button, so you can basically click onto the play button. And it's going to basically give you a preview of that song. Now if you want to put this into your game, all you need to do is press the blue insert button here, and that's going to add this into your game. You can see if we come over to the right hand side, that's now added it to our game. So that's how to go ahead and add music to your Roblox game. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.